juggle those three dangerous objects. Yes, all right. Let's. What? Is the table moving? Sorry, ambulance guy. You can see from the side. Does this look like cool dangerous or stupid dangerous? Sorry, I'm very quickly. I'm just going to fix this. I'll be honest. I want this to be the last trick of the show. Not my last trick ever.
People, that was a good gag. One more time, everybody, clapping, last time. being paid by the event to hit the event the entrance award, so
Any donations are very much appreciated. Guys, look after each other. Stay safe. Thank you very much. Thank you.